This is the age of information. Creating meaningful information requires proper management of data. There needs to be a system to organize, automate and synchronize data from all of the customers facing area within a company, from marketing to sales to customer service to technical support. Greenply Industries is primarily into the manufacturing plywood, veneers, MDF products with a reach of 45 branches across India and into the 300 cities. Greenply has a wide network. Industries like us, we have a massive number of customers, day-to-day activities, lots of inquiries, lots of customer complaints. So there should be a system which can help us to capture all the information.
If you look at most of the organizations which not having the CRM solution, right now they are having all the information available on the pen and paper. By having the CRM application in place, it becomes much more easier for the sales representative to capture all the information which they do on the fields.
We have to maintain logs, coordinate with seniors and make hundreds of entries. What we needed was a system that helped us keep track of all sales meetings and orders, and that's exactly what this solution is doing for us. We get easy updates about our next meeting, our log is updated till the latest client meet we have had, and reaching the target has become quite simple as we can see our daily progress in front of us.
Microsoft Dynamics actually helped us to capture all the information. The benefit of using is that to get the potential of the sales through the distributor so that we can give them the loyalty bonus based on the sales.
Actura played a very important role into the project implementation as a consulting and implementation partner. During the project implementation, we have helped Greenply streamlining their business processes by suggesting the best practices around the CRM application. The sales organization of the manufacturing industry these days are facing many challenges in terms of optimizing the route of the salesperson to get the more productivity. So for the new application, we have created the permanent journey plan which is having the optimized route, which helps organization in terms of increasing the productivity of the salesperson or a sales representative.
With the CRM technology, Greenply aims to get the better customer satisfaction and tapping the market potential.